It's your girl Jen here with a vegan oatmeal raisin coconut almond cookie. They are so delicious. And I used the almond pulp that I had left over after I made my homemade almond milk. And why let anything go to waste? So I made these very delicious, all vegan snack. A cookie. A yummy cookie. Next, we're going to go ahead and get into the ingredients on the cookie. So I used a third of a cup of oats, a third of a cup of flour, coconut flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, and then 3 dashes of cinnamon, and 3 boxes of raisins, and 4 tablespoons of raw honey, and 2 caps of vanilla. 1/4 cup of my almond pulp that I had left over, 4 tablespoons of almond butter. Mix, let them bake for 15 minutes, and there you go.